Welcome. My name is Kwesi Aninakor. I'm a sophomore managerial sciences major. Today, I'll be demonstrating the function of pivot in Excel, which allows us to view large amounts of data from different perspectives and interpret our information more effectively. Now, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to build a pivot chart. As you can see, this worksheet consists of an extensive amount of data for different shops and stores regarding their product lines, types, revenues, quantities, etc. First, we're going to select all of this information by clicking the triangle ribbon in the corner here. Now that all the data is selected, we're going to create our pivot table by clicking Insert on the top row. Then click Pivot Table to the far left. Now this just states that we're going to build a pivot chart with the selected data in a new worksheet. And click OK. Now this is the part where we'll be organizing the data into different fields such as filters, columns, rows, and values. First, you're going to left click retailer country and drag it underneath columns. Next, you'll left click product line and drag it underneath the rows. And lastly, you'll left click and drag gross margin underneath the values. Now we would like for our values to be set to average and formatted with 2 decimal places. So what you'll do is click the drop down arrow on count of gross margin and select value field settings on the bottom. And you'll change it from count to average. While we're here, we'll also format the decimal places by clicking number format in the bottom left corner. Next, you'll change the category from general to number and ensure that the format is for 2 decimal places. If it's not, you can decrease them or increase them as you'd like. And click OK. And then click OK again. And now you can see that this data has been formatted for 2 decimal places and it's giving us the average of gross margin. Now we're going to filter our column labels and only show data for the countries Italy and Spain. So look for column labels under column B and click the drop down arrow. So to get rid of the other countries, you're going to click the box next to select all. And now you'll scroll down and only select the boxes for Italy and Spain and click OK. So now we've restricted the table to simply view data for only Italy and Spain. Now to more effectively view and interpret this data, we're going to create a clustered bar chart. First, go to Insert on the top row and look for the section in the middle called Charts. Now select the icon with the 3 vertical bars in the upper left corner. And under the 2D bar section, you'll find the clustered bar chart. Now, you can effectively view the color-coded data for Spain and Italy. And there you go. And make sure to save your work under File. Now for the joke of the day. A pivot table walks into a bar and orders a beer. It says, "Put me in the same tab, will ya?"